Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. So today's video we're talking about equipments in dressing pack. So equipments that you will get in a dressing pack. So before we talk about equipments that we are going to get in a dressing pack and telling you each and every functions of those equipments, let us look at the purpose of wound dressing. So first of all, what is wound dressing? Because with dressing pack you need a wound and you have to know what wound dressing is. So wound dressing is the process of cleaning and applying sterilized dressing on it. The purpose is to remove microorganism and to enhance healing. So what are the reasons of wound dressing, or what are the indications of wound dressing? Number one, we have surgical incision. Number two, we have septic wound. We have several septic wound from diabetic patient, cut wound, wound that has not been cleaned for several things, wound caused by trauma and it has turned to a septic wound. So we also have pressure ulcers, those who have been lying maybe on the bed for several days and they have developed pressure ulcers. Those maybe who are paralyzed and maybe they have developed pressure ulcers. Those who have fractures and they can't move and they've developed pressure ulcers. Those pressure ulcers should be clean. Also, we have removal of stitches or staples or drainage. When you're doing that procedure, you have to do dressing. So before you do dressing, you first of all you have to do what? You have to. So I was saying, before you do undressing, you have to assess the condition of the wound and you assess the condition of the client to make sure that the client understands the needs of undressing and also understand the risk, the benefits, the advantages and disadvantages. You assess the environment and you assemble and assess all the equipments. So that one, with the last statement that I've said, will bring us to equipments that are found in what? In dressing pack. So when you want to do a wound dressing, or when you want to dress a wound, you need a dressing pack with a trolley, top and the bottom. So in the top shelf, we usually say that, or the top shelf or the top trolley must be sterile. So everything you put there have to be sterile. So you have to know that anything you are touching on that top trolley have to be sterile. So you need a pair of dressing forceps. You need 2 pairs of dressing forceps to help you hold those cotton when you are dressing the wound. You also need 2 pairs of how do you call them, artery forceps. You need the gallipots, 3 of them. The one of them maybe you can put normal saline, another one you put antiseptic solution, another one you put disinfectant solution. So yeah, those ones are for for what? For I will tell you the functions of those solutions. You need 3 gallipot. I've said one you will use to put maybe normal saline to clean the area, antiseptic solution After cleaning the area, you might need that antiseptic solution to kill the microorganism on the on the wound, and also you may need a disinfectant solution in case you have contaminated something. You can use that to disinfect it. Yes. Also, you will need a cotton 10 balls of cottons. Those ones you will use to clean the wounds. You will need the gauze, several of them. You will use those ones to clean, just to add you extra items of cleaning the wound. You will need a kidney dish for holding those equipments. You will need a hand towel, and also you need sterile gloves, 2 pairs, yeah. And also you need a petri dish. On the bottom shelf, where so many things are not sterile, you will need a pair of scissors in case you want to cut dead tissues. You will need adhesive tape for securing the dressing. You will need antiseptic solution. We use that one to clean the wound, to kill the microorganism, and also to prevent microorganism from growing. Yeah, you also need a kidney dish or a jar with different disinfectant. I've already told you the function of those in disinfectant. In case you've contaminated an equipment, you can use those one to disinfect those equipment. You will also need extra sterile swabs and gauzes, yeah, which are also sterile, but you put them on the you put them covered on the bottom shelf. You will also need some extra gloves. You will also need a receiver where you will put all those things you have used to dress the wound on. You will dispose them there. You, of course, when you're going to undress, you will need a red bin. Yes, a red bin. And also the last thing that you will need is Macintosh, so that when you are doing undressing, you don't soil the linen. Yes, I think those are the equipments that you need when you want to undress. In case you need extra, you always have an assistant, so that person can go or can move around to help you with what you need to avoid contaminating the area. So guys, I'm going to stop from there. In case you want me to talk about something else, let me know in the comment section. Bye, till next time.